Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on diagnosing screen codes and cable codes for the HP 17DB laptop. Today, we will walk you through the necessary steps to identify and resolve potential issues that may arise with your device. Let's dive right in. First, gather the tools you'll need for this process: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools are essential to safely open your laptop without causing any damage. Before we start disassembling, ensure you power off the laptop and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the battery if your model allows it. This adds an extra layer of safety. Now, locate the screws on the back cover of the HP 17DB. You will typically find around 10 to 12 Phillips screws securing the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew each one and place them in a small container to avoid losing them. Make sure to note which screws go where, as some may be different lengths. Once the screws are removed, gently pry the back cover off using a flathead screwdriver. Be cautious during this step to avoid damaging the clips holding the cover in place. If the cover feels stuck, check for any remaining screws you might have missed. With the back cover removed, you'll have access to the internal components of your laptop. Take a moment to inspect the area for dust and debris. It's a good practice to clean the internals using compressed air. This helps maintain optimal performance and prevents overheating. Next, locate the display cable connected to the motherboard. This cable is crucial for transmitting signals between the display and the motherboard. If you notice any signs of wear, fraying, or damage, this could be the source of your issues. To check the screen code, look for the model number on the back of the display. This code can help you determine if a replacement screen is necessary. If you're unsure, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can provide you with accurate information about the state of your device. While you're at it, inspect the connection of the display cable. Sometimes, a loose connection can cause display issues. If you don't have the tools or expertise to make these checks, don't worry. We offer pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. No calls, no travel, just a seamless service to help you get your device back in working order. After checking the cable connections, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully place the back cover back on, ensuring all clips fit snugly. Reinsert the screws, making sure to return each screw to its original position. Finally, power on your laptop and check if the display issues persist. If they do, you may need further assistance. Remember, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know what to expect regarding costs. This transparency helps you make informed decisions about your device. In conclusion, diagnosing screen and cable codes on your HP 17DB laptop is a manageable task with the right tools and knowledge. Following these steps will not only help you troubleshoot issues but also maintain the longevity of your device. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.